When you see a face, the eyes are what you're most likely to look at first. With eyes, you don't only perceive but also communicate, so why not play a little makeup game to redirect your look? In this makeup tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to use makeup to make your eyes unforgettably mesmerizing. First, cover both your upper and lower eyelid with a faint pink eyeshadow. Preferably choose one that contains glitter, but of course only if you want to look super duper mesmerizing. Add some depth with a caramel color from the lower corner of your eye up to the middle section of your brow bone. Excuse me, I just love naming eyeshadow colors like sweets. Now put away that huge brush and go for a thin, small one with which you should now carefully pull a teeny tiny mini wing. Attack again that caramel shadow and brush it along your lower lash line, preferably using an angled brush. Line 2/3 of your under, lower, and inner lash line to set a clear line between your iris and eyelashes. Use either a flat brush with wet black eyeshadow or an eye pencil. Dab white eyeshadow in the inner corner of your eye and your brow bone to both highlight and soften up. White eyeshadow also serves as a base to let the darker eyeshadow fade away. For extra large eyelashes, I use my 3-step mascara. Yes, that's right, this bottle comes with 3 different layers of mascara. When the eye makeup I'm wearing is dramatic like today, I prefer to use a more decent color for my lips and cheeks. Here I will use a soft peach blush and a light bubblegum lipstick. Have fun with this look and eventually you'll even lock eyes with someone. Have fun and see you in my next video. Bye bye boo!